Alright, this is what we're going to do today. We're changing out these nasty faucets in this house I bought back in January. I just changed out one a while ago. Turned out pretty nice, I think. The Kohler faucets are very easy to install. Not much to it, so all you do is turn off the water. Set this. And up underneath here, all you have is a couple of washers that go to your water lines up on your faucet. We'll set this down. And you may have a little bit of water left over from whenever you turned off your water. Just unscrew both of these, and then unscrew your black washers, and that will let you lift up your faucet. This is the older style, so it's got the mechanism to let water stay in your basin or let it flow out. But the new one is totally opposite and a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna turn this off for a minute while I unscrew these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now, so I've tightened up the water lines again and tightened up the sink to the vanity top. And this is what it looks like. So now you have to take out the drain, which is a totally different drain. This is what the new one will look like. So much simpler. But what you have to do is you have to disassemble this whole part right here, which that will, what I had to do a while ago is just saw this off, and then it comes straight up and disconnect your piping here, and that just slips right down into it. So that's what I'm fixing to do. Drain the water. It won't be a whole lot, but it'll be a little bit in there. Get it in there, whatever you're going to put it in there, and of course towel wipe up the remaining part of that. It's no big deal. Ooh. I'd say tighten that up and just saw it right there on your threads. Now you can loosen it. Spin it up on the top. Hammer that. Take the seal off of it. Forgot about that. Okay, I cut the seal off of that one a while ago. Now break the seal up. By the way, plumbing is a nasty job, by the way. Now that I got that out, we're going to install the drain plug, drain hose. All you do is, not much to that either, just kind of take this top off, unscrew this, get your seal out. That's going to be on the bottom half of it. Undo the top with that. Not much to that at all. Go back with your seal and your screw. And before I get too tight with that, I tighten it up a little bit, kind of snug, but where you can still install your piping that you had from your original one. I'm not putting any sealant or tape or anything on there right now, but I will come back and do that. Since it's a drain, I mean, you don't really have to. You just kind of got to get them snug. And they should, I mean, they got inner seals with them anyway, so they're going to stay sealed fairly well. It's kind of just a personal preference if you want to put some kind of sealant on them. But I mean, they're draining, so. All right. Let's see how it works. Put our top stopper back in there. These are really cool because, I mean, instead of pulling up, you know, on the back part and stopping up your basin to hold water, I mean, all you gotta do is just push these down and turn them. So that's a really nice feature. But turn my water back on. Don't see any leaks there. That's always a plus. Here we go. Still nothing leaking. Let's see it's installed correctly. It's probably about the easiest faucet to install. Kohler makes it very easy. I installed a kitchen sink pretty much the same way. It's very, very easy to do as long as you get the right connections and the right hoses. Anyway, hope you liked the YouTube video, and share and like and make the world a better place. See ya.